Okay, so test concept number one. Concept number one is to rotate or move the circle. This is Blender running uh, in real time with the MIDI controller to see if I can control or what I can control and what I can get away with. The render is good. I noticed, however, that because I'm trying to do this all in the same time, this is using geometry nodes to create the look and effect. What I was trying to do is I was trying to figure out if I were running this, like this is a background, this is what it looks like in Blender. This is just the plain file, and then I've got some effects overlaid on top of it. I was trying to figure out if I were running, ooh, that's way too much. If I were running other effects within Resolume, how much overhead am I going to have? How much wiggle room am I going to have? It's pretty stable. However, I can see now why a even bigger graphics card would probably be a good bet. Not to say that this isn't working pretty good. It is doing exactly what I want it to do, but I can see its limitations as far as you wouldn't want any more than like a certain amount of, like, for instance, this is 100. Was this more than 100 squares and geometry nodes running and then spouting it out to Resolume? So. But overall, I'm pretty happy with this. This is a good first test to see what I could control. What I would probably do in this particular case, because I've got it set to 2 dials right now, I would probably do an OSC on this and then use an XY pad for controlling the things within geometry nodes. It's not to say that you couldn't do it with a dialer, but it would look a lot better if I were to able to have, either two hands going at the same time, rotating the nodes, or using an XY pad where I can rotate it as I see fit. This slider works pretty nice. It's not too bad. But yeah, I think this has some serious potential for many different things. In any case, thanks very much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.